Hello to all my friends out there, and this video is how to make a really good pork stir fry for $5. I'm going to be doing these videos a few days, and I have some of my jewelry. This is cute. So okay, I have some hot oil, and so I bought pork chops. So what I did was I cut my pork chops in pieces, and I'm going to fry up the bones too, because, you know, we can just eat the meat off the bones, what little bit there is, you know, and also to flavor up my stir fry. So I want to fry, can you help me? I can't do it myself. I want to fry my pork up in some hot oil. I was going to try to do this one-handed, but it is not coming out well. I had to get my assistant. Okay, so, you know, these are some pork chops. And what I did was I ground my pork chops up in the blender. I cut my pork chops in small pieces. And then I ground them in the blender, and now I want to fry these in some oil. And I have some olive oil, but you can use any kind of oil. Sometimes the meat doesn't need oil, but this one does. And another thing is, if you don't have pork chops, this is good. I buy this for $1. So okay, so I want to fry my pork chops. And for good stir fry, you need good oil, a hot pan, and continuous stirring. That's all you need. That's all you need for good stir frying. And so then I'll season my meat with a little garlic salt, or, you know, whatever you have, whatever seasoning you have. And this is a little crushed red pepper. That's going to taste good. And this just takes a minute, just like a minute. And then I'm going to add a few onions. Can you get over here? I cut everything in advance so that I could, you know, work fast. So, you know, I have some onions over here too. Now make sure you have enough oil, but not too much. In stir fry, you need some kind of onions, but if you don't have any, you can use dry. You've seen me do that if you follow me. So, okay, so the idea of this is, if you're stockpiling your meat, 30 pounds of meat, you can make this with ham, hamburger, spam, chicken, any kind of meat. And then I bought mushrooms for $2.50, so that's $1.25. And I washed my mushrooms. So you can see already, this is some pretty good looking stir fries. Can you go over here? I buy this. They have it in pork, but I couldn't find any. And then I buy the rice at Dollar Tree. And I made a fruit salad. And so if you've been following me, we stocked four bags of frozen fruit. And here's the cowboy cookies I made. Just scroll down. This is easy. Very, very easy. Okay, so now I want to add my rice. And I like to brown my rice pretty well. You know, I want to make sure my rice is brown, just like my meat. And rice is kind of blah. So, you know, you want to be cooking your rice in with your meat. And just keep stir frying it around. Okay, I think I can take over. My next little thing is to get my tripod going. So, okay, so you can see I'm stir frying my pork, my rice, my mushrooms. But if you don't have mushrooms, just use mixed vegetables, or any fresh vegetables are good too. Okay, now what I do, and I've tried it all different ways, but this is the best way. I make a little place over here, and I get a tiny bit of margarine in my pan, and over here, I want to scramble some eggs. I've tried it all different ways, you know, pouring my eggs on top, but I think for me, this is the best way to get my eggs scrambled, but, you know, not pulverized. And, you know, I just keep checking my meat, you know, stirring around. This is really, really easy. Easy to make. And cheap too. Each of the pork chops, I have 2 pork chops. Each of the pork chops costs $1.40, and the mushrooms were $1.25. So, you know, we have plenty of leeway to get to $5. This is like one of the cheapest things you could ever make in your life. And if you use this, it's even cheaper. Okay, so here's my fruit salad. I have some yogurt, some frozen peaches, and some frozen blueberries. And then I was excited because today when I went to 99¢ Only, they had these 30 tea bags of assorted flavors for $1. So these are about, you know, 3 cents each. Raspberry twist, lemon zest, orange, mango. I've never tried mango, and I have frozen mangoes. Apple orchard and Georgia peach. Okay, so you see my eggs are starting to look good now. And then I just mix everything together. And I keep stir frying. I think the eggs turn out better when you fry them to the one side. I've tried every kind of way though. And so, okay, so then, for good stir fry, to season my stir fry, this is the old-fashioned way. I need salt, regular old salt, black pepper, you know, you need enough pepper, and regular white sugar. You know, you don't need all kinds of you know, fancy type ingredients for good stir fry. In fact, I think it turns out better if you stick to this basic tried and true stir fry. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. Okay, and I buy the big yogurt. It's much more economical. And so, okay, I'm going to be stir frying this for a while. And let's have my peach tea. And for this kind of tea, I like this at night because it's decaf. You know, these fruit teas. And here's my little creamer, my new creamer. Isn't it so cute? All right, now let me taste this. Okay, 99¢ only for this tea. Okay, that is a good one. You got to try that. Okay, so then, once my stir fry is coming along, I have a little beef broth. Because I want to flavor my rice And I want to flavor, can you come back for a minute? I want to flavor my, rice and my vegetables. You know, mushrooms can be kind of blazola too. I try to do it one-handed, and it's not easy. Okay, I'm almost done now. Okay, so now what I want to do, this is really, I want to cook my, broth down. And then what I add is dry chives. And then I'm going to add it now, but I add soy sauce. So when this broth cooks down, I'm going to have some very, very tasty rice. It's not going to be blah at all. Okay, can you get a little shot of my fruit salad? And I wanted to make mention, okay, last night I did a video. Can you get close to show my crystal? And Know Thyself under comments said, put a crystal by your plant. So I was really grateful. You know, my plants need all the help they can get. But another thing, don't you think my crystal looks so cute in my plant? Oh, I like that. I'm going to have crystals in all my plants. Okay, and one more shot of my stir fry. This is good, you guys. You got to try this. And if you want to really reduce cost, use this pork sausage. Okay, God bless you all.